Pulau Pinaka, and very good morning to you all. I extend my hearty congratulations to all the youth participants of the Northern Division for your achievements in the Duke of Edinburgh's International Award. I also acknowledge all who are present here today. That includes the parents, government officials, staff, and trainers that have supported our participants. Without your never-ending support and encouragement, their efforts in the Duke of Edinburgh International Award would not have been successful. And for that, I thank you all. Ladies and gentlemen, let me briefly speak on the award itself. The Duke of Edinburgh's International Award, as you all know, was introduced in Fiji in the early 1960s at the then DEIA Institute in Suva, which later, of course, became the Fiji Institute of Technology and now the College of Engineering and Science at the Fiji National University, before it was coordinated by the then Ministry of Education, Youth and Sports. It was founded by His Royal Highness, the Duke of Edinburgh, in 1956, based on their concern that young people's development was lacking in certain key areas, and in particular in life skills and character development. This is an internationally recognized award, ladies and gentlemen, and it just happens to be the world's leading youth achievement awards available to all 14 to 24 years old. Today we will witness the awards ceremony for 29 vibrant young people who have joined the foundation in inspiring over 8 million young people across the globe. The awards being presented today are recognized in all the 130 countries around the world, and you should all be proud of your achievement. This means you here in Labasa are now joining a global family of achievers in these awards. The Ministry of Youth and Sports, since the early 1990s, has been the national award operator, coordinating the program in conjunction with the Ministry of Education through the respective participating secondary schools and the registered youth clubs. In September of 2017, the ministry was issued a 3-year full license to coordinate the award as the national award operator here in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, with the Ministry of Youth and Sports being the lead ministry in the non-formal education, programs such as Duke of Edinburgh's International Award is targeted at empowerment training, and in particular in developing the young minds of our future leaders. Government continues to provide advocacy programs targeted at creating sustainable livelihood for each young person. Mind you, not all learning takes place in the classroom. Young people need experience outside the classroom to become committed, responsible, and fulfilled citizens of Fiji. The award's non-formal education model provides an alternative way for young people to gain a sense of self-esteem and achievement. This is very important during this important stage of growing up from youth into adulthood. It is always good to know that you are being appreciated, and this helps in building your confidence and character. Both the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the Ministry of Education, through the awards program, wishes to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills, which ultimately improves the students' academic performance. Through this award, many of you have learned new things and developed skills that will provide you with a sense of leadership and responsibility. The award also provides you with an opportunity to establish new friendship that could last for a lifetime. Students, Fiji today is made up of a population that is at most 80% youth. On record, Fiji has a young population. Hence, this government views youth as agents of change. Under the Fiji Affairs government, we have seen improved changes in the overall administration of our country. Our economy has grown to a level never achieved before by any government, and we will achieve more. We have witnessed various infrastructural developments and upgrades in all divisions. We have introduced new policies and initiatives to benefit the ordinary Fijians. We have made new bilateral agreements and international friendships and witnessed the first-hand the support of our partner nations in moving this country forward. And this has involved an all-of-Fiji approach with a particular emphasis on development here in Labasa through our targeted Look North efforts. Dear participants, the government recognizes that young people will take over the key leadership positions in the not-too-distant. And we as a government are committed to the development of young Fijians. One of the positive initiatives in the free education policy that you all are a beneficiary of, and this is complemented. We have also adopted a plan to listen to the young people, as only then we will be able to progress changes in policies, review the youth development and sports program and offerings relevant to contemporary youth development in rural, urban and peri-urban areas. I have personally taken this on board and have learned a lot about what our youth want and how they want things to be achieved. And this has enabled this government's unwavering commitment to the development of young people in the country. Your government has always placed significant emphasis on the growth of our nation. I'm quite proud of your achievements and firmly believe that you will all become responsible adults and move the North towards a positive and a secure future. It is therefore important that we continue to dedicate our efforts and support the government's initiative towards the nurturing of young people at all times. We will be there for you at all times. I ask that you continue to share with your colleagues how the award has provided opportunities with lifetime experience and apply the same concept of learning through the non-formal and formal education system. Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, before I conclude, to the youth, in the spirit of peace and progress, let me touch on a subject that you face now and is becoming a hard reality for us Fijians, which is the use of social media. As you can see, young people have been the subject of abuse through social media, and this is setting a dangerous precedent for the future of Fiji. That is the reality, and you must free yourself from the clutches of the lies currently sweeping our beloved nation and spread by the overzealous people intent on harming our progress. The former UN Secretary General, Kofi Annan, said, "Sometimes I walk into a situation and know someone is going to provoke me, and I just simply refuse to be provoked." Do not be taken by false rumors. Rather, focus on the good things in life and put your vision to reality. We are in this together, and we must work together and drive the progress of young Fijians in this day and age. This training and your achievements makes you an independent thinker. Use those skills to differentiate and act on facts rather than false ideas and thoughts from those who wish to harm on you, your family, and your beloved nation, Fiji. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, dear participants, I again congratulate you all and wish you all the very best for the years to come. Thank you and good night.